Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE REVIT tutorial. So during the last session, we have learned how to assign our lighting circuit, the lighting switches. Okay, so when you key in the tab button over here, you will know that this group of lighting that's assigned to which lighting switch. Okay, so in this session, we will create an electrical distribution board, and then we will deal with the power device and link all the power device and the lighting back to this distribution board over here. Okay, so before we start, let's go to our web page here. We have our own web page, bimklue.teachable.com. If you want to know the link, it is at the end of this video. And then if you browse through our web page here, you can see we are offering a list of MEP courses, electrical, energy, and then swimming pool, which is a plumbing and piping modeling. And then HVAC system, which is aircon services, and then the architecture tutorial over here. Okay, so this is our student around the world. If you click on our page here, let's click on one of the page, then you can see the content of our tutorial. Then there's a series of video tutorial, hours of tutorial that guiding you from the scratch, from zero knowledge to advanced level. Okay, we also included 2 videos for the beginners that allow you to get used to Revit working environment. Okay, the cost is very affordable. And then, okay, without dragging much time, let's start with our course over here. Okay, then first of all, we need to create our new family, which is the electrical distribution board family. And we're going to start with generic model. Okay, you can start with metric electrical equipment, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to start with the generic model. Let's create a simple extrusion over here. So we have a 150 mm depth of your electrical distribution board, 450 mm for the width, so should be sufficient. Then move to here. Then the height of the extrusion, I'm going to set it as 400. Okay, then click finish. Then of course, if you want to draw a line here, you can go to annotate, and then you can draw a line over here to indicate this is your electrical distribution board. Okay, which you normally see it in your legend. Okay, then the next step, we go to this 3D view. We're going to create electrical connector, place on here. Then you're going to assign this family category and parameters. Click on here. This is electrical equipment. You're going to tell Revit that this cube is electrical equipment, which is the panel board or switch board. Okay, so in this case we choose a switch board. Then you click OK. Then you click on here, the electrical connector. It doesn't matter that you place on this face or the top face, so it won't bring any difference. Okay, so this is power balance. Pole is 3. Then this is power. Lagging, normally it's lagging because there must be an induction load over your house circuit. Okay, so the voltage, I'm going to assign it as 4.5 for 3-phase, and then apparent load. This is basically a maximum load that assigned to this distribution board. Okay, and if everything okay, then we look inside to our project. Then we're going to save as the electrical board. Okay, then we're going to place on here, rotate it, and then make it a line to the wall. and make sure your height of the DB, let's say I'm going to place at 2100 mm height. Okay, then go back to level 1 again. Then what we need to do is we're going to click on here. Then you must see this distribution system is enabled, and then if you click on here, you can see this is create panel schedule. Use default template or choose a template. I'm going to use this as default Revit template. So it's basically explained what we have connected to this distribution board. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you one example is I'm going to select this 3 socket outlet, and then I'm going to power it, connect the power. Then I'm going to assign this panel to this electrical board. Okay, so one is done. You can click on this arc wire to show this wire connection. So this 3 power socket is connected to this electrical distribution board. Okay, how we going to justify this? We can click on this panel board and then click on this edit panel schedule again, or you open again this electrical DB. Then you will know that this is power already connected to this electrical distribution board. Okay, so that's how easy it can be done. Okay, so next we're going to create another circuit again. Then of course you can modify the circuit naming, load naming. Maybe this is for power, and then you can say this is for red phase number 1. Okay, if you change this name here, then it will be reflected to here. Okay, so that's how easy it can be done. Then of course, if you remember, if you click on here, this socket outlet here, previously we have assigned 250 VA, the apparent power, to this electrical socket. Okay, now we have 3 sockets here, so it will be total up as 750 VA. Okay, which is correct. Then next one, we're going to choose this. We know that this circuit is under, this lighting is under 1 circuit. Okay, so I'm going to click on this 6 lighting over here. Then we click on power. Then automatically Revit will choose this electrical distribution board. Okay, because it's only 1 electrical distribution board over here. Okay, you have 2 electrical distribution board, it will be listed down here. Then you can select the other one of the electrical board. Okay, so arc wire or chamfered wire, whichever you prefer. Okay, I'm going to choose arc wire. So now we have this lighting circuit assigned to here. Okay, so we click on here again, electrical distribution board. So we have lighting. We have 6 numbers of lighting connected to here. Okay, then of course you can modify this panel schedule or switchboard schedule to your needs or your company standards. Okay, so this load classification, demand factor, then you can always adjust this. Okay, so I won't go through too detail on this how we going to modify this. Then basically you can do it at manage over here, the panel schedule template over here. Then you can edit or manage a template. Okay, so let's go back to here. Then we complete this circuit. Here you have to select everything here. Then you have a left click. Then you can rename this load name to lighting red 1 or red 2. Okay, red 1 is the power just now. This is red 2. Okay, next one, this 6 lighting circuit. under one circuit and click on here, arc wire again, then you click on tab button until you can select the power circuit. Then this is lighting Y1. Okay, then you select again this for lighting, click on this power, this is lighting B1. Then if you don't click on this wire, you will be remain over here, no graphical representation. If you can do it later on. Let's say I'm going to select again, then you can click on arc wire again. So it doesn't matter if you want to delete it now, you just press delete, then you can actually create it over again. Okay, the circuiting basically won't run away if you once you assign it, okay, unless you modify your circuit. Let's say I want to modify my circuit. I select the circuit, then you can edit the circuit, you can add this lighting to your circuit, or you just want to remain it on your own. Okay, so let's say I'm trying to add this circuit over here, click on here, then finish the circuit, then I select this all again, then I click on arc wire, so it complete our circuit over here. Okay, so let's continue to do so. Power, so you assign your lighting to Y2. Okay, basically this is how it goes. And of course this tree I can assign it to one circuit. So lighting R2, Y2, B2. Okay, that's how easy it can be done. Then the rest is for this power circuit. You can select this tree, then power, arc wire, then you assign it over here. Power R1 is Y1. Okay, so that's how basically we generate all the electrical circuit. Then if we click on here, the board will keep on develop until you have a total load connected over here, and then the amps is estimated amp, total connected amp, and estimated demand ampere over here. Okay, so basically because the demand factor is 100%, so it will be assumed as a full current consumption. Okay, so I won't continue further. So this is you can carry out on your own. So this end of this tutorial over here. Okay, so thanks for joining.